So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pendant using shrinky dink plastic. So I have a piece of paper and I drew my design for my pendant. You'll get a piece of shrinky dink plastic. The plastic goes over the design. Now you can use a variety of materials for tracing your design on the shrinky dink plastic. There are shrinky dink plastics that come pre-sanded, however this is not the kind that came pre-sanded, so I need to use a really fine grit sandpaper, and I need to sand the shrinky dink plastic really well. You can hold it up to the lights in the classroom or towards the window to see if you've scratched the entire surface that you're planning to use. So I go one direction, and when I'm done sanding that direction, I don't know if you can see it in the light, then I go the other way. So this helps the Sharpie stick to the shrinky dink plastic. If you skip this step when you shrink your pendant and make it really strong, whatever you've put on the pendant with Sharpie can scratch off. So this helps the Sharpie stick. So after you have your plastic sanded in both directions, you're going to place it on top of your design and trace every line that you have or every line that you want with a Sharpie. So, I better put this down here. Move it down a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to carefully trace. It's not erasable, so I'm taking my time. Trace what I have. And I probably should have used a fine tip Sharpie instead of a wide Sharpie to do this, because I'm noticing my details are tricky to get drawn on there, especially these little lips. Here we go. Now when you make a pendant out of shrinky dinks, you need to put a hole in your shrinky dinks. I'm planning on cutting this area out here, so if I only punched one hole in the side, my necklace would hang sideways. So that's why my person here has hair that goes all the way up to the top. So now I have this shape. I'm going to use a scissors to carefully cut it out. And for time's sake, I'm just going to cut this section off. Later, I will go ahead and cut this shape out as well.